Hello everyone, Timothy here from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have this RCA Universal TV Remote Control. The model number is RCR160TALM1. If yours is lost or perhaps broken, we'll be glad to replace it with a brand new one here from ReplacementRemotes.com, where we do have the best prices and selection for remote controls on the internet. The part number on this remote is 257003. It is the brand new and original equipment from RCA. We offer a 60-day warranty and a no questions asked guarantee return policy here at ReplacementRemotes.com. If you have a question or would like to make the order by phone, please give us a call, 336-924-8787, and our friendly staff will be glad to assist you. Or as always, log on to our website by clicking the link below this video I provided, hit the green Buy Now button, and we'll ship you this brand new RCA remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.